Hey guys, welcome back to the VideoProc vlogger channel. Have you ever wanted to try some cool transitions in your videos? Well, in today's tutorial, I'll show you a unique paper transition. If you're interested, let's get started together. Launch VideoProc Flagger. Create a new project and import all the materials we've prepared. I'll be sharing these paper tear clips for free in a fan club for you to use. Next, find this button and click it to add a few overlay tracks. Drag a green screen paper tear image onto the overlay track. In the inspector, click on Height to make it fit the screen. Now go to the chroma key section, click the color box. Use the eyedropper tool to pick the green part of the image. Check Enabled, and adjust these two parameters. After that, drag another image onto an empty overlay track, adjusting its scale and position. Move to the compositing section and add a color burn blend mode. Now click the Export button to export this video segment and import it back into the software. Drag these video clips onto the video track, adjusting their durations. Then place this video at the junction of the first two segments and do some basic edits. Finally, in the compositing section, add a linear dodge blend mode. To get a better visual effect, find the color icon on the toolbar. Click on it to adjust the color. In the inspector panel on the right, quickly make edits. And click Apply to apply the changes. Now click on the motion icon to add animation. Find the Zoom Rotate preset, click on it, and the software will automatically generate the effect. Delete the third keyframe, move the second keyframe to the last frame, and adjust the position of the selection box. Customize the rotation angle here. Once done, click Apply to return to the main interface. Use the shortcut Ctrl and C to copy it. Then paste it onto an empty track. Change its blend mode to lighten blend mode. Click on the color icon to add it into a black and white tone. Go to the Motion Editor panel to adjust the rotation and the selection box of the two keyframes. Finally, for a more seamless transition between the two clips, find the Fade In and Fade Out effects under the Fade and Move area and apply them respectively. This completes the process. After that, drag another paper tear transition clip onto the overlay track. Start by completing the basic editing for it. Then go to the compositing section and apply the darken blend mode to quickly achieve the transition effect. Let's continue by dragging another paper green screen image onto the timeline. In the chroma key section, animate the green color quickly. Click on the motion icon to add a swipe out animation effect. On the first frame, add a keyframe and adjust the size and position of the frame. Move the playhead forward to create an identical keyframe. Next, generate a third keyframe. Move the selection box towards the left and add a speed curve. Finally, don't forget to add a keyframe to maintain the state. Click Apply to return to the main interface. To make this swipe out animation, apply similar edits to this video. Once done, drag the last video onto an empty overlay track. Apply the Color Burn Blend mode to blend it with this paper tear image. Then use the Split tool to cut out the second half and remove its blend mode. This completes the process. To enhance the final effect, I'll open the Effects panel in the top left corner. Find the Ghost effect and drag it onto the Effects track. Adjust the duration to make the effects appear rhythmically. Next, drag the music onto the audio track. Adjust its duration and add a fade-out effect. Click on the plus icon on the left of the audio track to add a new track. Drag a tearing paper sound effect here, aligning it with the visuals. This completes the setup. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. If you want to see more creative tutorials, be sure to follow us. Hope you're enjoying it. Bye!